story. Today, I'm going to introduce our top-notch induction brazing machine, specially designed for copper tube, pipe, brazing, and welding. This is the complex of the induction brazing machine. We already built the induction heating machine and the chiller inside this machine. And of course, the most important part is the brazing head. It can be like this. This is specially designed for smaller diameters pipe. We can also have like this. And like this one. We also have another design. The induction brazing head can be distanced from the power machine from 1 meter to 5 meters. It means when you position your induction brazing machine in this place, and you can use this brazing head in the distance of half diameters of 10 meters, just like my drawing. The induction brazing head is very portable. It is easy to move because it is very light. And the wire can be like this. If your brazing distance is very short, you can hang the wire just like this. And of course, we can take this head from here and doing your brazing work. And after one brazing, you can put it here and easily take out and do the next brazing. Let's see some detail of the induction brazing head. This is the head, this is the induction coil. The size and the shape can be different according to the pipe sizes and your working habit. And see, there is a press button. When you press here, it starts heating. When you release it, it stops heating. The machine is very stable. It is all made of metal. Very stable and easy to operate. This induction brazing machine for copper pipe brazing, we have 10 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, 30 kilowatt, 40 kilowatt, and 60 kilowatt machine. The copper pipe diameters range from 1 millimeters to 100 millimeters. What is your copper pipe diameters you want to braze? Now we see from its back wire connect to your input electricity. We will have guiding for installation. It is very easy. Just connect with your electric. The machine can easily work. Now let's start the machine. We can see there is only 4 buttons here, but this one is not button. This one is emergency light. If the machine have any emergency, it will light me. Of course, the machine will stop to protect itself. This one is start button. This one is stop button. We can all do in English. Let's see the PLC control board. The control board, and we have so many functions here. Do you want to know more about those functions? Tell me, I will send you the catalog for it. This is our introduction about our induction brazing machine for copper pipe tube brazing and welding. If you have any induction heating question or any inquiries about the machine or whatever induction heating applications, contact us. We will always support our best quality machine and our top excellent services. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We will share more induction heating video.